The worst part of reloading when you have a progressive press is loading your primers into these tubes to load into your machine. This is the solution I came up with based on some other designs I saw, but this is my own design. I've got this 3D printed box with ridges that will flip the primers, a button to activate the vibration motor in the inside, and a controller to change how much vibration you want because things change. Simply, this is large enough for the larger boxes like the Federal primers as well. Get your primers into the tray. I've got the ridges in one direction. Just shake it back and forth till they all flip. Once they're all flipped over, you put the cover on. Now the lid, cover or the lid, it allows the primers to slide, but there's not enough room for them to flip over. So as long as you keep that cover on there tightly, you're good to go. You take your primer tube and you insert it into the receiver like that. And let me just move this out of the way. And then just play with angles and vibration speeds until you get what works good for you. So this is just a little high, so I'm going to pull this down just a touch, the primer tube. Every once in a while one will get stuck a little bit, just give it a tap. And just like that, that's all it takes to load up your primer tube.